Hey gang, just want to give you a quick unboxing and review. I got this Kidde. This is just a straight 9-volt DC, and I'm just going to open this up and kind of show you a little bit more about this and install this. So we're going to go through the whole steps in the process. So here is the smoke detector. This is a guide actually, and this is it comes with a 9-volt battery. I did not know this. So this is just just a standard smoke detector. It comes with this plate right here, which will install on the ceiling, and this is just your standard battery pack, and even comes with the true screws. And if you're going to install this into drywall, it comes with those, and a little, that's kind of cool that it comes with those. I will probably just use these screws because I'm screwing this into a stud. And so yeah, here's the battery, and here's your instructions on how to install this battery into here. I will look at this and kind of show you kind of how this works and get this installed. There we go. Well, evidently I did it backwards. Learn something new every day. So this end goes over here. There he goes. Now I hear it. Now let's test it out. There you go. Okay, now it's working. Let's go get it installed. All right, so we have that drilled in. I use wood screws. It does come with the ones you can put on the wall, and because I want to make sure that this is a smoke detector up on the ceiling, and so it's very easy to install. You just need a screwdriver. I use a power screwdriver. Get that on there, and so yeah, it just you see that it's on. Just locking into place like that, and yeah, it's fairly easy to do. So I would definitely recommend this. One thing that you can do is, and I like to do, is I just write down the time and the when I actually installed the 9-volt battery. So you want to replace your 9-volt batteries at least once a year, and I definitely recommend these for you for your household.